Hi, I'm Jeff Schwartz of Schwartz Performance, and we're here at my friend Kurt Johnson's shop. Kurt's got some CNC machines here, and anytime we need something special made, he's the guy that I go to. So what they've got here is this aluminum plate that they've already pre-drilled and tapped some holes in it, and we've got several pieces here. The Dirty Dingo system that we got for the Serpentine drive was a little too wide to fit into the 53 Chevy pickup that we're building for Raybestos. So the Serpentine drive had to be narrowed up, so we mocked everything up with wood, as you saw in previously, and made it narrower. So we're going to share this data with Dirty Dingo, who supplied us with the Serpentine, and then they'll be able to offer this narrower for street rod and pickup truck applications. So we're doing the initial prototype because we got to get this thing done, and you'll see some chips cutting here in a few moments. As you can see, we've contour milled this shape, and we've got a nice little chamfer all the way around the periphery of it, and a nice smooth finish. So these will get a final brush finish before putting on the engine of the Raybestos truck, and basically that's how we've done it.